welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of my Boxycharm. Now, I already opened my box, but I didn't open any of the items in here. I am looking forward to playing with a couple of things in here. So we got 5 items in this month's box, and the theme is Road Trippin'. Let's start off with this Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I don't get too excited about them because I just don't. You see that? It's pretty thick. Okay, it smells like medicine. Wait, what does it say? Warm a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup for best result. Let dry in between applications. I feel like after I rub it between my fingers, the product like disappears. I'm just gonna do one side. Did I get it in my eye? Let's see. I have like this bag right here. Let's see. So this Dr. Brandt No More Baggage retails for $42. Before I forget, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box. It is $21 a month. All the products in here, my boxes have all been, my eye feels kind of warm. All of my boxes have been well over $100. It's $21 a month. I think personally it is worth it. Boxycharm does not send this box to me. I pay for it every month, $21 a month. Look, you can see the difference. It's crazy. See the difference? Oh. This is Mascara by Wander Beauty. This retails for $24. Award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights. Okay, so this is what the wand looks like. And I am not feeling this mascara. It did nothing. Oh, I'm gonna pass on this mascara. This just, no. Note Cosmetics. What color is this? Desert Rose. You guys know I'm not really a blush person. I kind of use the same blush that I use all the time. This is the blush right here. I love the packaging. I appreciate the mirror that they have in here. What I do not understand are the little things like this right here. Today I'm going to use this for blush, even though I have a little blush on already. This is a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. I love how they imprinted Note inside the blush. Designed to work for all skin types, this luminous paraben-free blush adds a natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness. Let's see. Whoa. Wow. I feel like that's such a waste of money to put that little pretend brush when you just don't really need it. Like this and this is fine. I think the color's okay. This retails for $26. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative brow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your brow. Okay, so, and I guess it's in here. Okay, let's try this. This is taupe. Oh, taupe is very pigmented. So that was a little tricky. One side has the brush. The other side, don't pull it. You gotta twist it off. It has the product in here. I think the concept of this is cool. For those of you who have eyebrows and you just need to add a little depth, a little color to your brows, I think this is perfect for you. But for me that has no eyebrow, this one is by Crown Brush, Fuego Eyeshadow Collection. Okay, and this retails for $29.99. This is what it looks like. Let's look at the inside together. It is beautiful. I am going to use this one and this one together. color I'm going to use is this one right here. We're gonna go in with this one right here. So pretty. I'm gonna jump around a little bit. I'm gonna take some of this. Let's try this one. I wonder if I need to wet it. Let's see. Oh, wow. I don't need to wet it. Look at that. I'm gonna use this, the darkest color there. Let's see. I'm just gonna do the bottom of my eye. I'm gonna do the transition shade and the darker color that I did on the outer ends, the outer corner of my eyes down here, and then I'm just going to put a little mascara and then I'll be right back. So this is a definite plus. I'm definitely gonna be using this palette a lot more often. Oh, also I didn't put a primer on my eyelids. It's just foundation. On my lips, I have the Galactic Sahara. It looks something like this. It's very pretty. I'm very impressed by the palette. The blush I like. The eyebrow cream is okay. I was not fond of the mascara, and the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. Do you guys see the difference? I kind of do see a difference. So that wraps it up for my Boxycharm unboxing review get ready with me video. If you enjoy videos like this and want me to create more content like this, get ready with me unboxings, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn your notification bell on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.